Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use the artificial intelligence mode, that is AI mode of Google Chrome to get basic idea about codes in different software. For example, here I have opened Google Chrome and I want to use the AI mode. So for that, I need to click here on the AI mode search and then ask a question from this: how to draw horizontal lines in HTML document. I hit the enter and yeah, it produces different options. Now this HR is the tag for creating horizontal line in HTML document, but that's not the whole story. We can do it in several different ways. Here it gives a simple code. This is paragraph, and then after the paragraphs it enters a horizontal line without further specification. We can specify the style, the width, and other perspective of a line by using CSS, modern customization code, and that I can do by using border or other aspects. For example, here you see it gives a CSS code. This is HR, and then border none, and then height 2px, background color you can enter. This is the background color, and you see the command and the numerical value are separated by a colon, and the different commands are separated, or the different aspects of the line are separated by semicolon. Similarly, if I come down, I can use this another way of creating this line. So it gives me, this is another way of creating the horizontal line. So the Google AI mode gives us different form of the basic commands for creating a horizontal line in HTML documents. Similarly, if I open another tab and I again click on the AI mode and I enter and I ask a question: how to carry partial differentiation in Mathematica. Hit the enter button on my keyboard, and that this gives me, remember, this is not partial differential, this is ordinary differentiation. And if I come down, yeah, here is the partial differentiation, right? So it gives me a basic code for partial differentiation. That is, this is a function, and this is the operator for differentiation in Mathematica. And here this list of x and y tells Mathematica to differentiate the given function first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So we can use it gives us different other operators options, and if I keep on going, I would have several formulas, several different ways of differentiating or carrying partial differentiation for functions in Mathematica. So you can use this AI mode of Google Chrome to get idea about the basic operators, about the basic procedures for writing code in different softwares. And then thanks for watching Safi Mixed.